Pero dejen abrir The Walking Dead. Ay, Dios mío.
That's bad. Don't do that.
Why?
Dinner.
What?
Yo. Oh. Hi. Ah. Tres. Evie. Come here.
Guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Spicy. Hey, spicy.
If you did.
Make it good. And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
Aquí, venga.
No, he's gonna make it.
It's been fixed temporarily, but it's not a permanent solution. Oh.
Olive, why are you sitting on your brother's head?
Oh my god!
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
Can you just back up, bro?
Evie. Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Hello! Hello! Hi!
You're scaring me.
what a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Excuse me?
Are you stuck?
This one is very, very sweet.
Oh. To you too.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you make.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Oh. Blue! No!
Whoa!
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please.
The choice is yours.
Come on, no, Chase, move over. No.
JP Moon. Like the thing from the noise.
What?
No. Sasha! Sasha!
Look at my son. Pride is not.
It's okay.
Don't look at Mark.
No es fácil. ¿Qué vas a hacer con tu hijo? ¿Qué le vas a dar?
Okay, you don't strip.
Sound.
What's going on, man?
Whoa!
Oliver.
Oh my god!
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna.
Meow, 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 meow. Ow!
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Excuse me?
You got some right here.
Oh!
Look what I made for you. A little pillow.
It's a Georgie pillow.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. Oh god.
No es fácil. ¿Qué vas a hacer con tu hijo? ¿Qué le vas a dar?